Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Telegram wallet to your bank account. This tutorial is quick and simple, so let's go. Once you open up your Telegram, I'm going to show you two ways actually how you can transfer your money to your bank account. The first one would be to go to P2P Market, which is in the right corner here, and click on sell. From here, you want to choose your cryptocurrency which you want to sell, and after that you want to go ahead and choose the best method. So as you can see, there are payment methods here like SEPA, Instant. But basically all of this has an option, and you basically choose an option which fits you the best. So let's go ahead and try this. So SEPA EU bank transfer or SEPA Instant, and now we're going to enter your account card number, and that's basically that. That's how you can go ahead and send it straightly to your bank account. Now another way would be to send it to another exchange. So for example, like Bybit, and then from Bybit send it to your bank account. So there is a few ways how you can do this. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.